Hi there, today we're gonna talk about kale. Kale is a very beneficial plant. It isn't as miraculous as articles say, it's just a green plant, and green plants have a lot of vitamins and have a lot of fibers. So, kale can be easily sown from seed or even from plantings. If they are sown from the seeds, they usually grow more adapted to the environment around there, because the taproot will go down and deeper, while if it's from a small plantlet, the roots won't get much deeper as one planted from seed. So, kale likes warm weather and also a bit of humid conditions. They like to be watered regularly, and they will provide leaves for a long time. These 4 plants we have grown here, or 5, they will provide a family of 3 or 4 for enough kale for a long season. And to harvest them, you just need to pull down. Grab on the leaf from the lower end and pull down. Now, one pest which usually attacks kale are aphids. Aphids usually find themselves in these crevices and they stay in. They are a bit of pain to wash them off, but usually the attacks are usually very mild, so usually it's easier to throw away the leaf or give it to the chickens. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.